Are you a proud car owner? Ever wondered how important it is to maintain your vehicle regularly? Hello there, I'm Kris, your insurance mom, here to shed light on why regular car maintenance is critical, especially from an insurance standpoint. Pause for a moment and think about this scenario. You've recently purchased a sparkling new car and are basking in the joy of smooth rides. A few months in and boom, your vehicle starts showing signs of trouble, and before you know it, it has broken down. Here's where the insurance nightmare begins. Costly repairs that might not be entirely covered by your policy. Or imagine this, you've packed your bags for a much-needed road trip. Halfway through your journey, your car fails. Why? An overdue oil change has led to your engine overheating. Now you're stuck in the middle of nowhere with a potentially high tow bill and mechanic fees that insurance might not fully cover. This is where the superhero of car care, regular maintenance, comes into the picture. Routine checkups and services for your car can help avoid these issues from turning into massive headaches. They cover a wide range, including oil changes, air filter replacements, tire pressure checks, and brake inspections. Sticking to your vehicle's suggested maintenance schedule not only ensures smooth drives, but also aids in preventing insurance claims for preventable issues. Benefits include enhanced safety, increased reliability, top-notch performance, improved fuel efficiency, and even higher resale value, all factors that could potentially keep your insurance premiums down. If you're unsure about your car's maintenance needs or its service schedule, take a look at your vehicle's owner's manual or chat with a trusted mechanic. Remember, a well-maintained car is a safe car, and fewer accidents mean fewer claims. As your insurance mom, I can't stress enough how regular car maintenance can help protect you and your pocketbook when it comes to insurance. So take care of your car, and it'll take care of you and your insurance premiums. Have a chat with your insurance agent to understand how routine maintenance can affect your policy and premiums today.